Hi everyone, I wanted to welcome you to Management 235, Entrepreneurship. My name is Kim McCarthy, and I wanted to take a few minutes at the start of the semester to introduce myself and just let you know a little bit about me. I went to the University of Massachusetts and have a bachelor's degree in management, and then in 1992 I obtained a master's degree in human resource development from American International College. I am currently a Subway franchisee. I've actually been doing Subway sandwiches since 1987 for 31 years of my life. How we started in the Subway business, my mother and father were teachers in the Holyoke Public Schools, and my dad was always interested in entrepreneurship. From being a small child, my father was always looking for a business, and it really was ingrained in us. And he was lucky enough to purchase a Subway sandwich shop in 1987, and it took off and did very well. When I was at the University of Mass, I started working with them, and we became development agents for Subway, which involved opening locations, selling franchises. I did a tremendous amount of leasing work, construction, store design, helping franchisees with their bookwork. So it's been a terrific career for me. We actually sold that part of our business, and now I'm focusing on my teaching career and the Subway sandwich franchises I own, which are 4 of them right now. Pictured on the screen is the Southampton Subway location. This is my Subway in Deerfield, inside a convenience store near Yankee Candle. This is my busiest store. This is a store on Armory Street in Springfield. It's a very, very busy location. We actually have a double storefront. And this is my store inside the Westfield Walmart in Westfield, Mass. Some of you may have visited. I'm talking to you today from my office in East Hampton. This is a picture of it. It's a commercial real estate building. I operate an office here, and I also lease space in this property to an attorney and her paralegal. It's been a great working relationship having an office. I also wanted to talk a little bit, another entrepreneurship adventure that I've been in is a multifamily properties. I have 4 two-family properties in East Hampton. Each one I operate like its own little business. I have monthly P&Ls done on each property and working hard to pay off the mortgages before I'm 65. That is a goal for me because they will be my retirement income. So that's something we'll be talking about a little bit in the entrepreneurship class also. Here's a picture of the other 2 properties. So this semester, I hope to provide you with an introduction to what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur. We'll talk about all different kinds of entrepreneurship, from pet sitting businesses, to landscape businesses, to Subway franchises, to online businesses. We're going to brainstorm, and we're going to have a great semester. So welcome, and thank you very much.